Right, how to reinvest from your network bonuses. Let's have a look. First of all, you're going to log in again, so you're going to click on that icon there under recently visited. Scroll up to enter protocol and then sign to continue. So you're going to go to I don't have enough in my return on investment. Once this is 5 or more, you can claim that. But I'm going to go to the wallet. There is some network rewards there, so your ROI will be invested from there. But the ROI, the network rewards wallet, it's more than $5, so I'm going to reinvest $7. I put in 7 there. I can either withdraw or I'm going to reinvest. So I'm going to choose to reinvest. I'm going to press confirm and then just enter my PIN again. Just wait for the transaction to go through and reinvest it successfully. Right, so what happened now? This went to my cycles. You will see it there. It is right at the top. A couple of seconds ago it was activated. You can find this on the smart contract on the blockchain transactions if you go and look for that. Right, so this is a new reinvestment. It started today. Tomorrow around this time after 24 hours I'll receive 3.33% on that one. There's another 7 and then all the others. So this brings my total cycles on 25. Right, and I joined this platform on the 7th of January the first time. Right, so in 24 days I have 25 cycles running. Then you can see the total cycles, and that's it. So my total investment total cycles is now $209 US. I started with $20. So yes, there you can see what I've done. I've already made a total of $470 US on the network side only. On the return on investment, the 3.33%, $88 already. So can you make money? I believe you can. It shows there definitely you can. I've made withdrawals, reinvestments, withdrawal to my wallet, to my bank, everything. This is running smoothly 100%. Get your people in here, speak to as many people as possible, share this with the whole world. Right, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.